I'm Anthony D'Souza from Asalla, Ambeli. Let us say hypothetically that the Sunburn event is to be organized to South Goa. कारण थोडे MLAs are not sure की मेन्शन केला व केला ना ते. थोडे म्हणटे साऊथ गोवा मेन्शन केला, थोडे म्हणटे इव्हेंटा व्हेन्यू दाखवलं ना म्हणून. थोडे MLA की बॉडी लँग्वेज बरी ना, वास येता. लुक्स लायक देर इज समथिंग अंडर देअर स्लीव. थोडे MLA म्हणटाय स्टडी करूंक जाय 2-3 दीस. थोडे म्हणटाय वी हॅव टू वेट फॉर द पल्स ऑफ पीपल. तुम पल्स ऑफ द पिपला कित्याक रावताय? इफ लोकांक जर तर बंद करूंक जाय जाल्यार तुमची गरज किसो रे? तुम्ही जाय न्हू आमकां. यू बी वन ऑफ अस, यू ऑल्सो द वोटर. तो तूं तुगे व्ह्यू सांग पयले. तुका जायो नाका तें सांग. दुसरें, आतां हो इश्यू घोणघोणात सारको एसेंब्लींत येवपाकूच जायो. आनी आय रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द 20 MLAs to say no to Sunburn in South Goa at least. We don't want it in the whole of Goa, no doubt about that. But आता ते disturbance फॉर जाला ते नॉर्थ गोवा आसतना सायलंट जाल्ले थोडो टायम, जावं कोर्टांत येवन गेल्ले थोडे जाण. पूण आतां ते थिंगा काण आमच्या माथ्याचेर थापिलां आनी मुगे जर तर घरा हाडल्यात जाय हितू म्हाका डिस्टर्बन्स जाला. सो दॅट इज वाय द होल ऑफ साऊथ गोवा is not very happy with this. Let no MLA say that A constituency येता, B येता, C constituency, Z constituency, खंयच्याय constituencyत येवं आमकां हो Sunburn event नाक म्हूण all the 20 MLAs of mine in South Goa have to, in clear-cut words, have to say we don't want Sunburn in Goa, more specifically in South Goa. ते मागीर मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी तुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी म्हणून कांय नाही ना. सगळ्यांनी एकमेकांक सपोर्ट करून तो इव्हेंट बंद करपाक जाय. तिसरें म्हणल्यार आतां हांवें आयकलां प्रमोद बाब सांगत खंय ते ऑर्गनायझर खंय बाबळे
ज्या जाग्यार करपाचे ते मागला, सरकार हेजेर विचार करतले. परमिशन सदांच ताका बाबडे परमिशन उसरा मेळटा मरे अशा पद्दतीन. ओके,
हांव नको ते बाबडी घेतो जाल्यार ते 1000+ crores of रुपीसाचो इव्हेंट करपी ऑर्गनायझर बाबडे आनी 2-3 लाखांची काजर कोताय ते आमगेले किरमी धरू. तेगे इव्हेंटा सारदा सारके पुलिसेन रावताय. आनी हे 1000+ crores इव्हेंट करपी तुका बाबडे लागले. तूं गरीब समाजा मनीस मरे. प्रमोद बाब, you have to listen to the voices of the people of South Goa at least, no now. So please stop this बकवास. हे बाबड्या बिबड्या म्हणपाक गेले बंद कर आतां. ती गोळे तूं तोंडा उतर चुकेन येता आसतली. दुसरें, आतां तूं म्हाका सांग प्रमोद बाब, जेन्ना रँडम सर्वे येयले थंय तूं म्हणटा लोकांक जाल्यार नाका. मोर दॅन 50% लोकांक हो सनबर्न हिंगान नाका. आनी ह्यो 2 रँडम सर्वेज तुमगे ओन सर्वे कोणाक ह्यो? दीज आर रँडम सर्वेज. सो दीज आर ट्रुथफूल सर्वेज. ही कोणें डेलिबरेटली केली ना. आनी तेजे हाडले आनी तुमी सर्वे हाडचे. सो लोकां तो इव्हेंट सावथाक नाका. नेक्स्ट म्हणल्यार आतां बेश्टी सोशल मिडिया एक थोड्यो वस्तू खबरो फ्लोट केले दॅट द मायनॉरिटीज आर ऑलवेज अगेन्स्ट डेव्हलपमेंट. हें केसो डेव्हलपमेंट रे? And the question is not minorities. Please don't underestimate. I have lot of messages coming from the people of the majority community also saying that, sir, what you are doing is perfectly right. Amka South Goa or event naka. These are lot of people from the majority community also. So don't try to divide us on minority and majority now. It is South Goans and all well-thinking people with their head on the shoulders have even sent messages to me saying that this Sunburn must not be allowed. So if you all still bulldoze this event in South Goa, Pramod Bab, as a head of the state, I request you, also, listen to the pulse of the people. The whole of Goa will come out in the uprising. So, I think better sense prevails with the organizers and with the people who buy their tickets not to do so. And requesting the organizers to please offload your site, refund the people if you wish. If not, that's your business, that's your baby. But it is clear-cut case. We are not interested who bought the tickets and who has not bought. Take your refund. Go back home.
And the reason given by the officers was that it's an event of an international scale, so there was a lot of people coming and so there was a lot of pressure. You should have just said no. What would happen? No law and order would have happened. People would have gone to the office of those people and said, you return our money. Might have asked them compensation because we traveled and we came here, we booked hotel and now we don't have this. That is between those people and that event manager. There would have been no law and order over here. Just there would have been no event. Where's the question of law and order? Those people who came here would have enjoyed somewhere else. Might have been disappointed, might have been unhappy, might have been frustrated. But that would not have been a law and order in that sense of the word. This kind of a...
Come to Goa for peace-loving Goa. Come in search of peace. And as well a mega event, Amka Naka. No. And worse to worse, this issue has been going on in the courts also in Goa. And worse to worse,
protect it. You're standing there to allow it to happen. And you're standing there to allow it to happen in breach of the law. This is where it is. And I believe the High Court should have gone one step further to have asked the government to fix accountability for the grant of these permissions which have been given overnight. Simply quashing is one part of it. But fix accountability and take action against these people who have done this kind of breach. You will come to know whether they have done it on their own or they were pressurized by the government or some minister.
आमगेले जायते गोंयकार, educated lawyers, advocates, leaders, they'll be willing to fight this case even through the court to see that we don't want this event here. So when I request the people from the Society of the Law or the people who are well-wishers of Goa, especially South Goans, please come forward and jail legally kit korpa jata, tinga people should apply their legal heads, requesting you all. We'll fight this menace, we'll fight this poison coming to Goa. And I request the support of our Chief Minister, the Governor, the Ministers, the MLAs, the Sarpanchas and all the leaders. कित्याक आता हे सगळे काँग्रेस, बीजेपी, एनसीपी, टीएमसी टिकेटी झगडटाले पळय आम आदमी, हे टिकेटी झगडटाले ते सगळे गेले न्हिदोंक. आनी ते कोण उलयनाय. आतां लिडर दिश्टी पडनाय. हे लिडर पळय टिकेट दिवना पळय ते लिडर आतां कोण उलयनाय चडशे. सो हे लिडर आमकां येतले एक वर्सान टिकेट मागोवंक. Atutai, you all work 2 years in advance. निमाण वगत काँग्रेसाक टिकेट यो, आम आदमी टिकेट यो, गोवा फॉरवर्ड टीएमसी सगळ्यांगे टिकेट मागो येना काय मागीर. This is important. Otherwise we will question you, where were you when Goa was being destroyed and now you are come for tickets. So we will see that these all things will be revived and reviewed again. So please, I want every Goan to come out, raise your voice in any form and stop this menace. Dev Bhare Guru. Thank you very much.